Hi, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and today I'll be reading a proclamation for Developmental Disabilities Month. Whereas developmental disabilities affect millions in the United States, impacting their daily lives, yet these individuals contribute unique talents and perspectives, enriching our community's social, cultural, and economic fabric. And whereas collaboration, education, employment, and community services are essential for individuals with developmental disabilities to lead fulfilling lives and engage actively as productive members in their communities. And whereas Fairfax County is committed to promoting accessibility, inclusion, and equity by supporting programs and policies that remove barriers and empower individuals with developmental disabilities and foster an environment where they can thrive and achieve their potential. And whereas families, caregivers, advocates, and organizations in Fairfax County tirelessly support individuals with developmental disabilities, ensuring access to education, employment, health care, and resources that enhance their quality of life. And whereas raising awareness about developmental disabilities and fostering inclusive practices benefit all residents, creating a more compassionate and understanding community. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim March 2025 as Developmental Disabilities Inclusion Month in Fairfax County and encourages residents, businesses, and community organizations to participate in recognizing, celebrating, and supporting the inclusion and empowerment of individuals with developmental disabilities in every aspect of community life. Signed by myself, Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. And this year in particular, it is essential that we live the values of this proclamation. And while March is Developmental Disabilities Awareness Month in Fairfax County, for our Board of Supervisors and our community, every month is that, especially in these times where we all are facing challenges. Thank you.